This is Sharnika and you're joining the S2 Sisters.
It's gonna be so good. Watch this.
So friends, I'm really excited for today because it's my birthday. And I'm going to celebrate here with my sister, my grandparents and my mom. I've missed my dad, but it's okay because this is, a rare opportunity for me to celebrate my birthday in India. So this year, luckily, I'm going to celebrate over here. And I'm really excited for today. It's just going to be a simple celebration, but the main task we're going to do today, I'm really excited about. I'm not going to tell you now. I'm going to tell you before I do that task. And this is my 15th birthday on 13th December. So now I'm ready in traditional dress, as you can see. So I'm going to go to the temple, pray to God, and then we will see in the evening. So come, let's go to the temple. So friends, I finished praying and I just came. It was so refreshing and I'm so happy that I went to the temple in the morning itself. So now with this full heart, I'm going to go to my house. Next we will meet in the evening. So guys, finally we are ready. So now I said there is a main part, right? So main part is that we are going to go to the temple and distribute food to those who don't have food. So that's the main thing. We're not cutting cake, we're not doing any celebration, but that's the main part. We actually do it every year. Whenever we are in India for my sister's birthday, we actually donate to homes. So this time I thought that we could give to the homeless, as they suffer for not getting a day's meal. So we have veg biryani for them. So hope they have a treat today. So that's the main thing we both are excited for.
Yeah, and then we just pray that their lives get better and they just get out of the situation somehow and find a better life. So yeah.
And this is my outfit, and I will show you a full view of that now. Friends, the food distribution was like a new experience for me. So we had 15 veg biryani which we distributed to those who cannot afford food. So actually very quickly they got over. Actually we came really late because it took us time to get ready, and we also had meetings and all this stuff. So actually most of them had went home. So, but still we were really afraid that whether they're gonna get over or we're gonna give it to the people. But it quickly got over, and it was a good experience.
It was like our day was fulfilled, and we are really happy to meet them and do something that we are able to do for them.
So friends, this video we're taking just not because to boast our ability, just because that we can motivate others also through this video to distribute food during a birthday, buying cake and spending a lot of time in the celebration. That's a part, but you can have a little bit amount that you can donate to charity homes or to people who cannot afford food, because it makes a change than us spending it on ourselves. Like, you feel really good. So that's what I want to tell in the end of this video. Please go and help those who are near you, and that's what is the intention of this video. And everything gave me immense pleasure, and I'm really happy for today. So hopefully this day is over and I'm going to go to sleep with a full heart.
So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you all in the next video. Bye!